Unlock the power of essential vitamins and curb cravings, naturally with smoothies. Welcome, health enthusiasts, to our exploration of the vibrant world of smoothies, where delicious meets nutritious. This video is your guide to understanding how smoothies can be a potent, delicious ally in nurturing your body, curbing cravings, and enhancing your digestive health. Smoothies have earned their reputation as a go-to nutrient powerhouse for health-conscious individuals. Their magic lies in the seamless blending of diverse, health-boosting ingredients into a single, delicious drink. Whether you're short on time or looking to spice up your daily diet, smoothies provide a versatile solution, easily adapting to your personal health preferences and goals. Incorporating smoothies into your diet is like giving your body a quick yet profoundly beneficial nutritional overhaul. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, they are an efficient way to consume a wide array of nutrients and antioxidants required for peak health. Here, we'll show you how to make the most out of every blend, one smoothie at a time. Let's begin with understanding why vitamins are crucial. These micronutrients are fundamental to energy production, immune function, and cellular repair. Integrating them into your smoothie recipes can ensure you're supporting these essential bodily functions with every sip. Vitamin C is paramount for immune support and skin health. Its antioxidant properties help to protect your cells and keep your skin glowing. This powerful vitamin is easily available in citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes, perfect additions to any smoothie. Just as vital is vitamin K, which supports bone health and helps your body heal wounds quickly. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamin K and blend seamlessly into your smoothies, adding a nutritional punch without overpowering flavors. The key to a nutrient-rich smoothie is the combination of ingredients. Selecting the right fruits, vegetables, and superfoods ensures you are maximizing your intake of essential nutrients. Mix and match based on what's seasonal and accessible to you for a smoothie that is power-packed and flavorful. Cravings often stand between us and our health goals. A well-crafted smoothie can help keep these cravings in check. The fiber found in whole fruits and vegetables promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. Fiber is essential for this satiety effect, encouraging slower digestion and longer-lasting fullness. Ingredients like oats, chia seeds, and flax seeds can boost the fiber content of your smoothies, providing sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Avoid the crash that comes with added sugars. Naturally sweet ingredients, such as ripe bananas or dates, not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also support steady energy release throughout the day. Let these natural sweeteners replace refined sugars for an invigorating energy boost. Your gut health plays a considerable role in your overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to mental health. Smoothies can be instrumental in promoting a balanced digestive system, and they can do so in a tasty, enjoyable way. To enhance your digestive health, consider adding probiotics. These friendly bacteria are found in yogurt, kefir, and other fermented foods, and they support a healthy gut flora. Incorporating them into your smoothie helps maintain a robust digestive system. Fiber not only aids in keeping you full, but also supports regular digestion. Fruits like apples, pears, and berries are rich in this nutrient and blend beautifully into smoothies, contributing to a well-functioning digestive tract. Pairing probiotics with fiber-rich foods in your smoothies can double the digestive benefits. This dynamic duo supports a balanced gut microbiome, aids in digestion, and keeps bloating at bay, enhancing your overall health. Let's put theory into practice with some delicious smoothie recipes that are as nutritious as they are tasty. These recipes are designed to cater to your taste preferences and dietary requirements, making them a delightful part of your daily routine. Simplicity is often the key to consistency. These smoothies require minimal ingredients and preparation, ensuring that even on the busiest of days, you can put together a nutritious drink in no time. Have fun experimenting with these combinations. One of the greatest strengths of smoothies is their versatility. Feel free to swap, add, or substitute ingredients based on your personal tastes and nutritional needs. This adaptability ensures that smoothies can fit seamlessly into any diet plan. Boost your morning routine with a breakfast smoothie. A well-composed smoothie can serve as an all-in-one meal, supplying you with the energy you need to tackle the day. Start with a basic foundation of your favorite fruits and slowly introduce greens and proteins for an even broader nutritional profile. Beat the afternoon slump with a refreshing, energizing smoothie. These drinks make ideal snacks or meal replacements, providing a burst of nutrients that keep you focused and active throughout the day. Whether you're at home or on the go, smoothies are easily packable in a thermos or a travel-friendly bottle. Incorporating smoothies into your routine is more than just blending fruits. It's about empowering yourself through thoughtful nutrition. Each ingredient you choose contributes to energy, wellness, and disease prevention. As you explore different combinations, you are actively choosing to prioritize your health. Smoothies are allies in managing and maintaining a healthy weight. The proper blend of ingredients can enhance metabolism, support fat loss, and keep hunger at bay, all while ensuring you're adequately nourished. Think of smoothies not as an occasional treat, but as a potent ally in your ongoing health journey. When crafted with care and intention, smoothies can significantly boost your nutrient intake, support your energy levels, and promote a holistic approach to health. The beauty of smoothies is in their customization. Feel free to experiment with flavors and ingredients to find what best suits your taste buds. Use our recipes as a baseline and take note of what works for you, gradually crafting a personalized repertoire. Be mindful of potential pitfalls. Overloading your smoothie with sweeteners, forgetting to include enough fiber, or neglecting portion sizes can diminish its nutritional benefits. A little attention goes a long way in maintaining balance. Prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients to maximize taste and health benefits. Local and seasonal produce is often the best choice, both for your health and the environment. Smoothies can easily be adjusted to accommodate allergies or dietary preferences. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or lactose intolerant, there are plenty of options to ensure you're reaping the benefits without compromise. Preparing smoothies in advance can save time and make it easier to maintain consistency. Pre-pack ingredients into daily portions and store them in the freezer. When ready to enjoy, simply blend and go, making healthy eating both effortless and convenient. Utilizing seasonal produce ensures the highest quality and flavor. Not only does this enhance the taste of your smoothies, but it also supports local farmers and reduces environmental impact. Rotate your recipes with the seasons for a refreshing variety year-round. Smoothies offer a simple yet effective approach to enhancing your health, one drink at a time. We hope this guide empowers you to embrace smoothies not just for their taste, but for their incredible health benefits as well. Start blending today and enjoy the journey to better health. We invite you to share your favorite smoothie recipes, variations, and tips in the comments below. Let's create a community of health enthusiasts inspired by the power of smoothies. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-focused content and take this step with us toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Cheers to health and happiness.